Hey, what's up? If you're a Sakuga fiend like me, you probably heard at some point about this. I guess you could call it an anime called the Super Cube. I also heard versions that are just Super Cube without the. It doesn't matter. The point is there this one cool detail in this show that I saw on YouTube when I was watching the clips from it that I thought was really cool. Okay, so basically, this guy, I assume he's the villain because I didn't watch the show. Sorry, I'm just a massive larper, honestly. I only care about the hype, animation, and aura. Uh, okay, basically, he uses this string on what I assume is the main protagonist, and the protagonist is sent flying. You know, he's dragged by that string, and there's this one really cool detail that I really like. That I think is cool, and I just wanted to show it. Okay, so there's this bird, right? And it's like flying here, and like he flies under it, and like the speed at which he moves makes it so that that bird gets naked. It loses its feathers, dude. Oh my god. There's no him. He gets like it. He's like it's like it's gone. It's gone. There's nothing there. Oh, oh, oh my god. Oh. And just I like it because this little detail here has been added for the type of motherfuckers that are just like going through these videos frame by frame. Like if you're watching this shit normally, you wouldn't catch it, right? But if you're the type of just like if you have the type of autism that I have, and you just go through all these animations frame by frame, you will be able to catch this little funny Easter egg. So yeah, I just wanted to make the video about it. See ya.